In this video, we are going to learn the network problem and terminology of network. First, let's see. I'll explain a little theory here. What is a network? Okay. Actually, a project refers to a set of various activities which are correlated and sequenced in a specified order for execution purpose. Actually, based on the knowledge and past experience, management needs to choose a best suitable method for alternative method. Among all the techniques of them, the commonly applied to plan, schedule and control the projects, only two techniques are used. For example, PERT, then CPM means critical path method or project evaluation review techniques. Both will be solved. Let's check one by one. Okay, because why they will do for the purpose of best plan and schedule and control the projects. Okay, because of the issues management will be check it out. Okay, like this. Okay, let's start first with a critical path method. What is the critical path method? Actually, the sequence of critical activity in a network which is known as a critical path, and it is the longest path which defines or gives the minimum time required to complete the project. Okay, critical path is a longest path. Okay, for the purpose of or which gives to minimum time to required complete the project. Okay, let's see how it will be done. This is the question, example question I have written here. Given the following information, this is the activity, this is the duration. What we have to do, draw an arrow diagram, identify the critical path and find the total project duration. Determine total free and independent floats also. Okay, first what we have to do, first we have to draw a network. Okay, network is not possible to draw easily, so it will be sometime messy. So first we have to draw in a working note. Okay, take any paper, draw with your pencil first, because then it will be draw it clearly. Okay, let's draw it in working note first. Okay, this is the activity which we are doing. Okay, this is the activity. For example, activity always start with a zeros. Okay, this is the network. Now first to second, we don't know what is first to second, so I'm writing here. Let's start from here. 0 to 1. For example, this is 0 to 1 because 0 to and the other activity is not there, so only 0 to 1 means this is 1. Okay, 0 to 2 or 1 to 2, 1 to 3 means one activity are burst means executing. 1 to 2, this is 2, this is 1 to 3. Okay, then what we have to do, after 1 to 3, then next is a 2 to 4 means this is 4, one activity will execute, that is 4. Then again activity 2 to 5, 2 to 5 means another activity 2 to 5. Okay, now 3 to 4, 3 to 4 means here 3 to 4. Okay, now 3 to 6, 3 to 6 means one activity are executed, that is 6. Okay, now 4 to 7, 4 to 7 means from 4 one activities are executed, that is 7. Then 5 to 7, 5 to 7 means this, from 5 to 7 is activity executed. Then 6 to 7, 6 to 7 means this is the execution of activity. So now this became the diagram. So let's make these diagram in a clear format. Okay, so we have to see like this. First draw in a working note, then draw with a clear format. Okay. Okay, now before starting other questions also, starting. Okay, okay, let's see first networks. Okay, draw a network. So let's draw a network with heads. Heads means a round circle head like this, but draw in a clear manner, means it should be, these 4 can be here and these 5 can be here, so it easily make the diagram. First, okay, I'm drawing the network. This is the way I'm drawing clearly. This is first. This is I'm making heads by seeing the diagram, by seeing this diagram. Okay, I'm arranging in a proper manner. Okay, let's draw here, drawing a network. Okay, so this is the heads I'm creating. Okay, so now head should make heads like this, and make like heads, divide these heads, because for the purpose of earlier time and latest time. Now execute the arrows 0 to 1. This is 0, 0 to 1. Okay, now what is that? 1 to 2. This is 2, this is 3 I have prepared, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7 I have created. Okay, means 1 to 2 means one activity from 1 to 2, and another activity 1 to 3. Okay, then 2 to 4, and one more activity also 3 to 4. Okay, then 2 to 5, and 3 to 4 is also over. 3 to 6, next 4 to 7, this one. 4 to 7. Next 5 to 7, this one. 5 to 7. Next 6 to 7, this one. 6 to 7. Okay, this is the arrows we have done so far. Now add the durations. Duration is given here. Let's see the duration. 1 to 2, 2. Okay, we can take the snapshot, otherwise we want, for the purpose of, because I always have to show the question. 0 to 1 is 2. Here 0 to 1 is 2 duration. Now 1 to 2 is 8. This 1 to 2 is 8. Now 1 to 3 is 10. Here 1 to 3 is 10. Next 2 to 4 is 6. This one 2 to 4 is 6. Next 2 to 5 is 3. 2 to 5 is 3. Next 3 to 4. 3 to 4 is 3. 3 to 4 is 3. Next okay, 3 to 6 is 7. 3 to 6 is 7. Next 4 to 7 is 5. 4 to 7 is 5. Next 5 to 7 is 2. 6 to 7 is 8. 5 to 7 is 2. 6 to 7 is 8. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to calculate the earliest time. Earliest time is starting here. We have to take maximum values. Okay, how? Let's start from here. This is 0. As I said, this is first one, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Okay, always start with a 0. Add duration 0 to 2, 2. Okay, 2 to 8, 10 is here, and 2 to 10, 12 is here. Okay, here 10 to 3, 13 will be here. Okay, and 12 to 7, 19 will be here. Okay, but these head 4 receiving 2 activities. Okay, 2 activities execute from start. Okay, burst from second and third head, and it's joining fourth one, means the fourth head getting 2 activity. But what we have to do at the time, we have to take the maximum value. If we go by here, 10 plus 6 is a 16. If here 12 plus 3 is only 15. So which is the maximum? This is the maximum. So take 16. Okay, if one head receiving 2 activity, check which is the largest one. Now here same as 7, we have did 5th and 6th. 7, so head 7 receiving 3 activity. See which is the highest. 13 plus 2. 13 plus 2 is only 15. 16 plus 5 is 21. 16 plus 5 is 21. And 10 plus 6 is a 16. Okay. Now 19 plus 8 is a 27. 19 plus 8 is a 27. So which one is the largest? 27 is the largest one. Okay. So here okay, what has got 27? 27 is the largest. Actually in this problem little change how it is. It should not get from here. Okay, so little in this problem it is changes, that's why it doesn't occur the critical part correctly. Okay, because here is the critical part, the highest value is going. Okay, sorry, here, okay, right, 12 to 7 is a 19, 19, 27 is the correct one, but like, okay, it's total overall corrected, but some point the problem is not its good way. Okay, so let's start. The critical are totally different. The critical should be from here to there, but it's totally calculated on what to be. Okay, now this is the earlier start we have did. Now go for let us finish, let us start and let us finish. Okay, start by 27 from here. What we did, we added all the activity. Now start less deduction of activity, like 27 minus 2 is the 25th here. It has single activity, you know, so that's why 25. It's going single here, so 27 minus 5, 22. Here also single. 27 7 minus 8, 19. Okay, this one getting two activities. Which is the least one? Check, 22 minus 3 is only 19, but 19 minus 7 is 12. Okay, 12 is the least. 12 is getting only one activity. 12 minus 10 is 2. But this one are getting two activities. One is from here, one is from here. So check, 22 minus 6. But this one is also getting two activity. One from 5, one from 4. Okay, 25 minus 3 is only 22. But here 22 minus 6 is 16. So 16 is the less. Now for first head, 16 minus 8 is 8. But from here 12 minus 10 is 2. So 2 is the less. So take 2. Now this one only one activity. 2 minus 2 is 0. So we have got the problem. Okay. The critical part is getting how many days? 27 days. Okay. So how this critical part is going on? By the highest value, this is the highest here. Here to getting here. It's a correct problem, not different one. Here to here. Here to here is the longest path. Okay. Because 2, then adding 10 is 12 became, then adding 7 is 19, then adding 8 is 22. This is the critical part. Okay, it is known as arrow diagram. Now identify the critical part and find the total project duration. So we have find the total project duration also is a 27 days. Like, what is critical part? 0 to 1, 1 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 7. Overall means 2 plus 10 plus 7 plus 8, overall 27 days. Okay, so what we have to do now, we have draw and we have got that critical part also, means yes, 27 days. Now determine total free and independent float. For this purpose we have to draw that table. Here is the table I have drawn already. Okay, activity duration I have already taken activities and all their durations. This is earliest, this is latest. Earliest means starting of activity, then where activity finish, and then where activity finish, where activity started. This is total, this is free, this is independent. Okay, what is E and T? T is a duration, E1 is a start of the duration. It's a finish, it is earlier start, and this is earlier finish, and this is later start, later finish. Okay, only for representation, means presenting of letters and earliest, we are giving this EJ, LJ like this. Okay, let's start the problem. You will come to know where it start, where it is finish. It should be taken from here, from the diagram. Okay, first activity 0 to 1, where it is start, this one 0 to 1, and 0, start from 0, finish on 2. So right here, start on 0, finish on 2. 1 to 2, start on 2 and finish on 10. So right here, start on 2, finish on 10. Then activity 1, 2, 3, start on 2, finish on 12. Start on 2, finish on 12. Then 2 to 4, this 2 to 4, start on 10 and finish on 16. This 16, how we got? This 16 added this one only. Okay, so this one only, start on 10, finish on 16. Start on 10, finish on 16. Now 2 to 5, this 2 to 5, start on 10, adding 3's, finish on 13. Start on 10, finish on 13. 3 to 4, this 3 to 4, look, it's 12. 12 plus 3 is 16. 16, 15. So but we got here, it is a 16. How we calculate this? From here, but we have to calculate from here. So start on 12, add these 3, we get only 15. So right here, started on 12, but with adding it became 15. Okay, now 3 to 6, this is 3, start on 12, finish on 19. Start on 12, finish on 19. 4 to 7, 16 to 27, but start on 16, but adding with 5 it will be 21. So take like this, start on 16, add 16, adding it became 21 only. Don't take 27, take with 21, because that 27 it will come from here, these arrows. Now 5 to 7. Start on 13, adding 2 is 15 only. So take 15, don't take 27. Because this activity only we have to calculate. 13 plus 2, 15. 13 plus 2 is 15. Last 6 to 7. 19 start and adding 8 is 27. Start on 19, adding 8 is 27. What about the letters? Letters we have to start from downside. We will get easily. Like it, first what we have to check, 6 to 7. Look, 6 to 7. Finish on 27. After deducting 8, we are getting 19. So take like this. Finish on 27, but after deduction, it became 19. Now, 5 to 7. This is this fruit. Starting on finish on 27, but minus we get how much? 25. Starting on 27, after deduction we got 25. Now 4 to 7, this one. Finish on 27, after deducting 5 we got how much? 22. Finish on 27, after deduction we got 22. Now go for 3 to 6. Finish on 19, after deduction starting is 12. Finish on 19, after deduction it will be 12. Now go for 3 to 4. Here finish on 22 with less, minus 3 is only we get 19. Don't take 12 because this 12 came from here. So 22 minus 3 is 19. 22 minus 3 is 19. Then the activity is 2 to 5. Here finish on 25, minus this one we will get 22. This we came from here, okay, but we have to take this one. 25 minus 3 is 22. Finish on 25th, minus 3 is it became 22. Okay. Now the next activity is 2 to 4. This one. Finish on 22, after deduction 6 is 16. Finish on 22, after deduction it is 16. Next 1 to 3. Finish on 12, after deduction 10 it is 2. Finish on 12, after deduction it became 2. Now 1 to 2. Finish on 16, after deduction 8 it became 8 only. Don't take 2 because 2 came from here. So minus 16 minus 8, 8. Finish on 16, after deduction we got 8. Now 0 to 1. Finish on 2, after deduction of 2 we have got 0. So finish on 2, after deduction we got 0 here. Now calculate total float. Okay. How total float will be calculated? Okay. The total float will be calculated by the following formula. And what is that? The formula is the calculation of total float. How it is calculated means LJ we got minus EI minus Tij means this is the earliest start. This is, what is this? This is earliest start. Actually this one Lj means let us finish. Ei means here earliest start, minus Tij means duration. Let's do first with the formula one by one. Let us finish is Lj is 2. Write 2 here, minus earliest start Ei means 0, minus duration Ti means this duration. Duration is 2. So now 2 minus 0 is 2. Outside minus 2. So 2, 2, 2, 0. Answer 0. So write here 0. The same manner do the problem. Like this 2 from let us finish, let us start and duration we have to deduct this one. Okay, from this we have to deduct. This is 16. 16 minus 2 is a 14. 14 minus 8 is a 6. How much we are getting? We are getting 6. 12 minus 2, 10. 10 minus 10, 0. 22 minus 10 is 12. 12 minus 6, 6. 25 minus 10. Okay. 15. 15 minus 3, 12. 22 minus 12, 10. 10 minus 3, 7. 19 minus 12, 7. 7 minus 7, 0. 27 minus 16, 11. 11 minus 5, 6. 22. 27. 27 minus 13. 14. 14 minus 2 is 12. 27 minus 19. 27 minus 19. First remove the 10, it will 17. 17 minus 9 means 8. 8 minus 8, 0. So we got the total float. Now go for free float. Okay, the free float, the next one is a free float. For the calculation of free float, we have the following formula. What is the formula? The free float formula is EJ means earliest finish minus earliest start minus duration. Like earliest finish, what is the earliest finish here? Is a 2. So write here 2. Earliest start is 0. So write 0. Duration is 2 only. 2. The same way we are calculating. 2 minus 0 is 2. This minus 2 is 2. 2, 0 means first one is 0. Free float. Let's calculate the second one also. Okay. Earliest finish minus earliest start. Earliest finish is 10. Earliest start is 2. 10 minus 2 minus duration was 8. This is 8 minus 8 is 0. Second one also we got the 0. The same repeat the problem. The same manner repeat the problem. Like this one. 12 minus 2, 10. 10 minus 10, 0. 16 minus 10. 10 minus 6, 16 minus 10 is 0. Oh, 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. 13 minus 10 is 3. 3 minus 0 is 3 minus 3 is 0. 15 minus 12 is 13. Oh, 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. 19 minus 12 is 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. 21 minus 16 is 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. 15 minus 13 is 12 minus 2 minus 2 is 0. 37 minus 19 is 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. This is the free float. Now calculate the independent float. Calculate the independent float. How the independent float will be calculated? Independent float will be calculated by the following formula. What is the formula? Independent float. The formula is earlier finish minus latest start minus duration. Okay, earlier finish, latest start. What is the earlier finish is 2, latest start is 0, duration is 2. This is 2 minus latest start 0 minus duration is 2. Answer is 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So first we got 0. Second, earlier finish is 10. Latest start is 8. Duration is 8. Okay, how much we have got? Earlier start is 10. So take earlier finish. Earlier finish is 10 minus latest start is 8 minus duration is 8. So what we have to do? 10 minus 8, 2. 2 minus 8, we have got minus 6 is the answer. How much? Minus 6. Now let us finish. Earlier finish is 12, latest start is 2 and duration is 10. So do with the formula. 12 minus start how much? 2 and duration minus also 12 minus 2 is 10. 10 minus 10 is 10. Sorry, 0. 10 minus 10 is 0. Earlier finish minus latest start. 16 minus 16, 0. Minus duration how much? 6. So 0 minus 6, minus 6. Now let us finish. Earliest finish minus earliest start. 13 minus 22, how much we will get? Minus 9. Minus 9 and minus duration. This is minus 3. So total how much? Minus 12. Then the earlier finish is 5 minus earlier start is 19. 15 minus 19 is minus 4. Minus 4 minus 3. Minus duration, you know. So it became 7. Minus 7. Okay. 14 minus 3 minus 7. Now earlier finish is 19 minus earlier start is 12. So it became 7. Then plus 7. Plus 7 means duration should be minus. So plus into minus. Plus or minus cancel. Answer 0. Next. Let earliest finish is 21 minus latest start is 22. 21 minus 22 is 1. Okay, minus 1. Minus 1, this minus 1 minus duration will be cancelled, means it won't cancel because it will come into the minus. So it's minus 6. (15 minus 25 is minus 10. Minus 10 and minus duration should be minus 2. So minus 10 and that one is 2 is minus 12. 27 minus 19. How much we get? 8. 8 minus 8, 0. This is the independent float. This is the way where we can calculate independent float, free float and total float. And that is a critical problem. Okay. Now what we have to do is we have already created independent floats also. This is the way how the network problem will be calculated, the question, and we solve the network. Okay, so in the next video we can see the PERT techniques, means project evaluation technique. The next video, this is only for CPM, critical path method. Which method? Critical path method. This is the critical path method.